Greetings everyone! AI Ninja is back with another exciting video. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how you can effortlessly duplicate and utilize motivational videos from YouTube to earn $600 per day. The best part is that you don't even need to record the motivational speeches yourself. I'll show you how to find free motivational speeches that you can use. Additionally, I will guide you through the process of setting up your channel, creating the videos, monetizing them, and uploading them to YouTube. All I request is that you watch the video carefully to ensure you don't miss any steps. Remember, it's completely free. But before we begin, welcome to iNinja. On this channel, we provide valuable insights into earning money through the latest AI technology. Please consider liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the notification bell to stay updated on new and popular money-making techniques. As mentioned earlier, I'll explain how you can make $600 by simply copying and pasting motivational videos on YouTube. Before we proceed, let me show you some evidence that people are already doing this and making much more. Here, I have Social Blade earnings for the channel Above Inspiration, which is one of the motivational channels we'll be using as a reference. They are earning over $11,000 per month. Although we'll consider a more conservative estimate, let's assume $600 per day, even though the actual earnings are likely much higher. As you can see from the estimated daily earnings below, 480 days are common, and often the earnings are even higher, so it's definitely possible to achieve this, provided you know the right approach. And that's exactly what I'll be guiding you through step by step. Pay close attention and take notes if necessary. Now, when it comes to getting started, typically I would suggest finding your niche and creating your YouTube channel. However, in this case, you already have your niche. Instead of creating a new channel, let's focus on creating the videos first so you can start quickly. The main challenge people face is finding suitable audio, specifically motivational speeches, for these videos. There are various methods to do this, but my preferred approach is to use a website like archive.org. They have a feature called the Wayback Machine, which allows you to explore past versions of different websites, including Amazon. However, we'll utilize the Internet Archive section, where you can search for motivational speeches and discover a wide range of options. So let's get started. Simply type in motivational speech in the search bar, and you'll find a plethora of choices. You can sort the results by relevance or views to identify the most popular speeches frequently used on YouTube. These popular speeches are what many content creators rely on. Let's select a couple of speeches from here. For example, open one of them in a new tab. Now, on the speeches page, you'll find various download options in the form of different files. You can either display all the files or directly download the MP3 file. However, it's important to make a note of the speakers' names for each speech. If we refer to the channel Above Inspiration, for instance, and click on one of their videos, you'll notice the speakers' names mentioned in the video description. This way, you're giving proper credit to the speakers and ensuring you're not claiming the content as your own. It's crucial to approach this process ethically. Now let's return to the archive.org page. Click on Let's Do for the MP3 file, and then click on the three dots to initiate the download. You'll observe the download starting in the bottom left corner. Repeat this process for each speech by accessing the respective MP3 files and downloading them. Make sure you have the speakers' names written down, as we'll need them when we upload the video. Follow these steps to gather the necessary audio files, and remember to maintain integrity and give credit where credit is due. Now we move on to the next step, which involves creating the actual videos. This is a crucial part of the process. There are various video editing tools available, each with its own merits. In my opinion, when it comes to these videos, they typically consist of stock footage accompanied by a voiceover in the background, which is the motivational speech. While this approach is not mandatory, I personally prefer matching the voiceover with relevant stock footage. For obtaining stock footage, there are numerous free websites available. You can utilize a tool like InVideo.io, which I have demonstrated multiple times. Before starting with the video creation, you need to create an account. They offer a free account option, but it includes a watermark on the videos. Alternatively, the business account costs only $15 per month if paid annually, and it provides access to a vast library of premium media exceeding 1 million items. Once your account is set up, you'll arrive at the home page. Often I use the text-to-video editor, but for this purpose, we'll use the regular editor. Choose the landscape option on the side panel. You'll notice the Uploads section, where your files will be stored. Now that you have your speeches in the folder, click the plus button to proceed. The folder duration should be displayed there, for example, 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Listen to a few seconds of the speech to get a sense of its tone and intensity. Then select a suitable clip from the available options or explore more scenes. Once you've made your choice, click Add. Adjust the size and consider adding more text if necessary. Remember, the goal is to create an engaging video. Typically, you would include multiple speeches and make the video longer. However, for the sake of brevity, I won't go into extensive detail here. If you have any specific questions, feel free to ask, and I'll be happy to answer. After completing your video, navigate to the top of the page and click Export. Choose the 1080p option and initiate the export process. Once the video has finished downloading, you can preview it by clicking Play. That's all there is to it for creating the videos. Anyone can do this. It doesn't require any special skills, just a bit of time to copy and paste the videos onto the editing platform. Once you're done, click Download to obtain the final video. However, before you proceed to upload the video, there are a few additional tasks you should complete. Firstly, you'll need to create a brand new YouTube channel. I recommend using a business name generator tool like businessnamegenerator.com. Enter words like inspiration or motivation to generate channel name ideas that will help people find your content easily. Once you find a suitable name, go to the YouTube channel creation page and enter the name you've chosen. If you already have a channel and want to change the name, go to your channel settings and update the basic information section. Next, you'll want to have a profile picture and channel banner. To create these, I use a tool called canva.com, which is free to use. Once you're on Canva, select the Create a Design option and choose a square image with dimensions of around 800 by 800 pixels. Keep the design simple by selecting a white background and adding text. For the profile picture, consider creating a logo-like design using the letter M for Mind Motivators as an example. Play around with different fonts and sizes to find a visually appealing logo. Once you're satisfied with the design, click on Share and then Download to save the logo as a PNG file. For the channel banner, which is the larger image displayed above your profile picture, you can either create your own design or use a template. Add text such as Mind Motivators and include any additional elements you prefer. Once again, click on Share and then Download to save the banner image. After downloading both the profile picture and channel banner, go to your YouTube channel settings and upload them accordingly. The profile picture is the image that represents your channel across YouTube, and the banner image appears at the top of your channel page. Remember, it's important to have an appealing and professional-looking profile picture and channel banner, as they contribute to the overall branding and attractiveness of your channel. Okay, so this was our channel before we did anything, and now that's our channel. After that, it looks super professional, and you're like a legitimate channel now. Okay, so now we've got to actually upload the video. So you go right here to create and then hit upload video, go to select files, and our file is right here. When it comes to a title, there are a lot of different ways you can do this. There are tons of tools out there like vidIQ, which I use a lot. And those are great. Don't get me wrong, I will show you how to use them in these videos. But it's just getting a little long in this specific video. So what I suggest if you're just starting out is that you really want to look at other popular videos. So let's say Les Brown's motivational speech, look at these popular videos, and then just kind of model that, right? So you can literally do the same thing. It's not like you can't use the same title, but just change things up a little bit. Okay, so let's see. Just kind of read these to see what you're planning and then go back here and type one of the greatest speeches ever. To monetize your YouTube channel using affiliate marketing, you can sign up for affiliate programs on platforms like ClickBank and Digistore24. These platforms offer a wide range of products in various niches, including self-help and e-business. Here's how you can get started with ClickBank. Visit clickbank.com and create a free account. Once logged in, click on Marketplace to explore the available products. Browse through different categories or search for keywords related to motivational or self-help products. When you find a product you want to promote, click on the Promote button. Your affiliate link, also known as a hop link, will be generated. Copy this link. To make your affiliate link more presentable, you can use a URL shortening service like bit.ly.com.go to bit.ly.com and create a free account. Paste your ClickBank affiliate link into the URL shortening field on Bitly. Click Shorten to generate a shortened version of your link. Copy the shortened link provided by Bitly. Now you can go back to your YouTube video and include the affiliate link in your video description. For example, you can say something like, "Want to get paid to use social media? Click here," and hyperlink the text with your Bitly shortened link. In the video description, be sure to include the names of the speakers you used in your video, as it gives proper credit to the original content creators. Additionally, when uploading your video on YouTube, fill in the necessary details such as title, tags, and selecting the appropriate audience setting. No, it's not made for kids. While tags are not as crucial as they used to be, you can still add a few relevant ones like motivational speech or motivation. After reviewing all the details, click Next and then Publish to make your video live on your YouTube channel. Remember, as your channel grows and becomes eligible for monetization, you can also earn ad revenue from YouTube. This affiliate marketing strategy is just the beginning of your earning potential on the platform. It's important to comply with the guidelines and policies of the affiliate programs and YouTube to ensure a successful and sustainable monetization strategy.